Hello foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a mouth-watering treat for you, a delicious and juicy chicken roast. Whether it's a special occasion or just a weekday craving, this recipe is sure to impress. So let's get started. Heat coconut oil in a pan over medium heat. Add some ginger and garlic paste, saute it for some time. Then add in finely chopped onions and saute until the onion turns golden brown. Time to add the masalas. Add some turmeric powder with some red chili powder, coriander powder and some garam masala. Saute the masala powders until the raw smell goes. Into that add finely chopped tomatoes. Saute until the tomato becomes mushy. Now it's time to add the chicken. Give it a mix. Add some salt and mix it nicely. Make sure the masalas are well coated onto the chicken. You can add bit water if required, but here I am not adding any water. Just close the lid and cook for some time. The water will get oozed out from the chicken and it will get cooked in that water itself. Once the chicken gets cooked, cook it further so the water will evaporate and the masalas will nicely get coated onto the chicken pieces. Finally, garnish it with some curry leaves and green chili. And there you have it, our mouth-watering Kerala chicken roast is ready. It's packed with bold flavors and hint of spiciness, perfect to serve with rice or as a side dish. Thank you for joining us today on our channel. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to hit a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for more amazing recipes from around the world. Until next time, happy cooking!